Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can turn on the spell check feature, for example for websites you visit in the Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, for this method you will need to access your browser settings on Opera here in the top left and by clicking into settings here. Next, navigate to the languages settings here on the left hand side. Scroll down till you get to the spell check. And here guys, what you want to do is enable the spell checking feature, for example, for errors you make when you type a text on, I don't know, here on websites or web pages you visit via Opera browser, of course. So you may assign a language to be used for the spell checking for. Usually these will be also or aligned with your preferred website interface languages here above. But you can of course customize that and add more languages to that list and enable them here, for instance, and so on and so forth, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.